Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a unicorn from Blume's Petal Pets. But before we get started, as always, I have one to show you. Well, I'm hoping it'll be a unicorn, but we'll see what we get today, right? So this right here is the Blume Petal Pets package right here. So I'm pretty excited to show this to you because I have no idea how, what we're going to be getting, but or how I'm going to do this. Hopefully I don't mess up too much like I did before. But I've gotten smarter about them. Okay, so let's remove the lid. That I know. And there's this tab I need to remove because I didn't do that the first time. And I didn't realize that I needed to do that. So isn't this pretty cool? It's like a little pot, right? With a plant in it. That's so cute. So then you got our little watering can, of course. And I forgot to get water. Duh. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I should be prepared next time, right? So I got my bottle of water here, and I guess you can just use this little canister thing right here to put some water in. And I guess you just need a little bit, not too much. And I'm just going to take this and suck up the water right here in our little canister. Just release. And okay, so it says I'm supposed to water this thing. So here goes. There's these holes in here that the water goes into, and let's see what happens. Whoa! Wow! That is so cool! Did you see that? Oh wow, that is so nice. Okay, so it opens up, and then it says there's, okay, so there's this little charm in here. Oops. Charm in here. Oh, hold on one second, let me grab this out. So it's a little charm in here. Aww. This is pretty nice. Look at this. So it's like a little, this one right here is like a flame that I can wear. Now I'm all girly. And I guess you can adjust it however long you need it. Okay, yeah, so you just kind of pull this up right here and you can adjust it. That is so nice. This is really pretty. Okay, so then after you're done with that, there's more. Let's see, you can lift this up, it says. Oops. And oh, there's all this stuff inside. Oh my gosh! We did get a unicorn! Oh my gosh, how lucky is that? This is so pretty. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. We actually got the unicorn. I figured that would be the one you would want me to draw for you first, but there's all these animals, these petal pets actually. So you can actually turn the head. Oh wow, that is so cool. And it also comes with some stickers for our little, what does it say here? Wolf vibes. Okay, right here. And so then it says I can close it back up and do something else. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? Okay, let's try this. I close it up. I push this. Okay, so I can close this back up, supposedly. And then, oh, okay. There's this little caterpillar thing right here. I guess I push that down, see what happens. Oh, ta-da! So whenever you want to open it up again, I guess. So you can close it, and if you want to open it back up, oh, that is so cool. Isn't that just the coolest? I really love these Blume dolls things. They're so cute. Okay, before I get carried away, I'm just so excited. We got our unicorn here today. That's so lucky. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, of course. And let's get started on drawing this cute little unicorn from Blume's Baby Pop. No. Blume's Petal Pet. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. To draw this beautiful unicorn, let's first start by drawing a bottom of a U for the face. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start to draw a curve. It's like my usual bottom of a U for my faces. And I'll just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So it's not too long, just nice and shallow. And connect. Okay, so now we have this in here. Let's come back to where we started. On the edge, we're going to draw a big circle. the eyes. So nice and big. Whoa! And then come to the other side, do the same thing. Sometimes your hand just gets carried away. Okay, so I got 2 humongous circles in. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Okay, and then lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come right here on the side and just draw a thicken out lash. Just come down with a curve and thicken it up. So one thick one right there, and you know what, let's work on this side. And then at the top right here, I'm going to come about right in this area and draw a little curve, kind of like a little tendril that comes out. And 2 lashes right here just to finish it up. Nice and fancy, right? And then at the bottom there's going to be some lashes as well, so maybe just like 3 small ones. There. Okay, so same exact thing over here. Just going to come out with a curve, thicken it up and bring it in. And same thing here. So we're just going to add a tendril, and it's going to go this way now. And curve. And then same thing, 2 lashes. And some smaller ones right here at the bottom. There, we're finally done with these fancy eyes. Okay, so then right in between the eyes, we're going to draw an oval. So very lightly, I'm going to try my best here, just lightly draw an oval. So I'm going to start with a curve, bring it down, and connect. There. And then right inside, we're going to put 2 little dots right here for the nostrils, and then a smile right at the bottom. Nice soft curve. And cap it off. Okay, so now we can go finally bring this up right here. We're going to draw the horn area and the mane. So let's bring this up a little bit more. And so just imagine there's all this mane going on. So like right in the center, just come up about right here. Right in the center. I'm just going to start right here and draw a curve for the horn. Right on top. And I'm going to go straight up in the center and say about right here. Round off the tip. And bring it down to connect. For our horn. And I'm going to add some curves right here. Just for some detail. And so now to draw the gorgeous mane that this unicorn has, let's start right here with the first strand. I'm going to bring a curve down And there's just one curve that's just going to loop around the horn. Connect. So that's one. We're going to fill it up. So come right here, draw another strand, tuck it in, and then I'm going to come out again right here. So we're just framing the face. That's the goal. Come out and bring it right back in. So whatever space you have left, you can just fill it in. And so one more right here. So I'll come about right here and do the same thing. Come out. And once again, you're just framing the face. And bring it right back in. And I'm just going to fill this part up, whatever space I have left. Okay, so then from there we can start to draw the ears. So imagine this still going up. So about right here, I'm just going to pop in this ear, round off the tip and bring it down. Nice and simple. So same thing over here. About right here, it's going to come up. And I'm just going to drag this point across for the tip of that ear. So it's about the same height. And whatever space I have left, I'm just going to come in here and tuck in this ear. And now to finish off the mane. So right here, I'm just going to add a curve to fill up the space. And let's come up here. Our first strand, I'm going to come around the horn, bring it out. So it's like drawing flames, kind of, and bring it in. So that's one. I'm going to come back in here and curve. And tuck it in. Soften it up a little bit. And then let's see here. Come over here. And we're just going to build these kind of flame-like strands. And put one here. And tuck it in. And let's see right here, just to fill up the space, I'm going to come in here and bring this in, and another one. So let's continue this. I'm going to put more right here, and one more here. And you know what? Let's put one small one right here. So there's no wrong or right way to do this. It's just you want to fill up the space to make it look like there's these flames coming from her head. And I think I'll leave it at that for now. So then let's draw the body. Let's come right where the nostril, this oval area is, come right down, and about right here, I'm going to start with a curve for the chest area. And then for the body, the back, let's come about right here. And we're just going to kind of go straight, slightly up, and curve. So small little body, and we're going to bring this down. So kind of nice and even on both sides. Then from there, I'm going to work on the front first. Bring this down, and we're going to start to work on the front leg. Bring this down, then right here. Round off the tip and connect. So then right here, we're going to imagine this chest coming out, and about right here will pop back out. And we're just going to give it a slight slant up. So we have to start to draw the back legs now. So bring this down. So it's nice and even. And about right here, we'll start with a curve that comes down. And we're ending about the same area. Bring this in, following this curve, and out. And just go ahead and connect it. And whatever space you have left, just finish it off. Okay, so then let's draw the hoof right here. I'm just going to add a curve, and same thing here. So on this side, I'm going to draw a leg that's just curved in. So about right here, I'll pop out a curve and then just tuck it in, just to simplify it. And then the back one right here, we're just going to follow the front. And end it shorter, about right there. And the same thing, a hoof. Okay, so then now the gorgeous tail. We're going to pop it out about right here and here. So I'm going to start with the, let's see, I'm going to come down here first, come up, and I'm going to come right in the center and draw this first strand that's kind of in the foreground. So once again, it's just like drawing flames. Curve it in, zigzag, out. Bring it right back. And then come right here, following. And we're just going to make this fuller. So come out. And here we go. Back and forth. And we're going to tuck it in. There, ta-da! So gorgeous, right? And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Petal Pet unicorn. And let's see here, any adjustments I need to make. That is pretty much it. So they're all done. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. I really love this little pot right here, and because I love flowers. So this is just such a great addition to my room right here. I'm definitely keeping this one in my little shelf over there. And of course right here, like I said, you can just pop this open anytime you want and the flower will bloom. That is so cool. Thanks so much for watching. Again, and make sure to turn on your notification bell and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.